Hey, what's up, it's your boy Yo-Yo Yvonne coming at you from my car. And today, it's Jam Sessions Part 2. Alright, so last time on Jam Sessions, the girls got to show, their fire music, their playlist, and you guys got to decide who was the best and stuff like that. Now today, it's all about the boys. It's all about the homies. So we're gonna see what playlist they got, what music they got, if they can heat up this engine a little bit, alright? So first up, I'm going straight downtown to see my boy Jordan.
Yo.
What up, what up, what up? What's up, Mitch? My bad, I forgot you were coming.
It's all good.
Mitch and Jordan. Oh, it's not an actual aux. I just say aux. It's Bluetooth.
Oh.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
Hey!
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry, 50 dub. Got girls that I'm done. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03 now. Without 40 Ollie, they'll be know me. Imagine if I never met the broskies.
I keep a glitzy. I was bent, yeah, flex me. What the lick read, really coming like me.
Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. Get it. Sha la 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 la. I've been believing in anything, 'cause I wanna be someone who believes. Down at this yellow-haired girl, Mr. Jones, I need some milk. Okay. These niggas try to take my life, they fuck around, get killed. Okay. You fuck around, get smoked. If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga shut up. If you dip me in your Hey, it's all about that murder game. Drive by.
Kept me down in MIA, and then he came on wood with that promo life. My
Ain't no love in the heart of the city.
Yes.
Ain't no love in the heart of Zion. Ain't no love
Taking the church.
in the heart of the city.
God, show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down.
Oh no. Alright.
You know what the Midwest is?
Oh.
After 6
Jack it off. She's a
That thing, fine as hell,
Hey.
thick as fuck. Oh my God, that's my pain.
Fuck.
Hold your home, shut up and let's get going. Like a Tarantino movie. Don't wanna talk it out, can we fuck it out? Cause we gon' be up all night, fuck a decaf. You see I'm a tall thug, yes I'm a G-Rap. If you want safe sex, baby use the knee pad. Forget with the sticky inky, baby give me kitty. Killer, West Side, nigga. Do you like 90?
Alright, thank you guys. You guys brought some heat. Warmed up my engine. I appreciate it.
lost the coat.
I did lose my coat.
It's the best way to sweater to hangover. See, buddy.
Easy, guys. Okay, that was Jordan and Mitch. Now I'm going back uptown to see my buddy, Richard. Let's see if he got some heat. What up, Rich?
It's good, buddy.
How you doing?
You good? Oh, fuck. It's cold as a moth.
What were you doing? You just came up from downtown?
Yeah, I was downtown. I'm always downtown, bro.
Just work?
No,
Or just party? You were partying last night. You stayed down
I
there.
was with a couple girls last night.
Okay.
Bro, my phone goes crazy, fam.
What?
It's crazy.
Oh my god.
Let's get it, man.
Goose fur, I'm so cold, bro. Back to school shopping, I just bought a ruler. I'm a shooter, I'ma shoot first. Yeah, I make cool. I talk a lot of shit cause I can back it. Throw my dick kick in the throat, watch your back, yeah.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
How do you have this song?
Yo, do you like my solo or no?
It was dope.
Alright, let's
That's
get
your
it.
solo.
Tippy tippy tail.
Bad bitch gon' strip, no boys gon' trap to this. Keep an eye and don't lack to this. Somebody might get slapped to this. They know the real, free the dogs and the demons. Take a trip to the east end, see a not Cleveland. To fly me, whoa, whoa. I had a dream of a boatload. Fucking call me El Pengo, chap like a narco.
Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need mine. OVO Sound Radio. Another one. We the best music. DJ Khaled.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Like a wristlet on the brown. All I get is wild thoughts. These other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, woo.
Let's flip it, man.
You're gonna flip it.
Flip more. Yeah. Shoot it, knock it down over fairway. Shoot it, knock it down over fairway. So bust it like an AK.
That's my shit. Stop the car. That's my shit.
Yellow beats, holla at me.
And you being some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga. Like you seen him twirl, then he drop nigga. And we keep a mind millies on my block nigga. And Monte keep it on him, he done drop niggas. I send a left out.
Oh, I'm getting the call.
You can take off Bluetooth.
Hey, man.
What's up, dog?
I was good, man. You're interrupting my session right now. I'm jamming out right quick. Just let me call you back.
Alright, bro, later.
Alright. Let's get it, man.
Keep on. Bitch, quit up, we can go. Fuck with us and then we tweaking low. Run up on that nigga, get the squeezing low. Everybody catch you, bullet lows.
Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the score, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves.
What the fuck you ready up for?
I've been rated, I'm out in the city again.
Oh, God.
Fire. Fire.
Yo, how much is the Uber charge?
Took you back to your place, yeah.
I don't have cash. Oh, fuck.
Oh, man.
All right,
Appreciate it.
Thanks for picking me up.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to get billed, so don't bill me.
I ain't billing you. It's on me.
That's fine. I'm done. We ain't got to talk no more.
Alright. That was Richard. Next up is my boy Dillashan, but he's a bit busy right now, so I'm going to pick him up a bit later in the day. A change of plans. Unfortunately, Dillashan, my boy flopped on me. He flopped on me. So he's not gonna be able to make it, but I did get one of my boys to come through. He's able to help me out. What up, my man? What up, my man? How you doing, Lucas?
Take your time. Alexander Hamilton.
Alexander Hamilton. Hey.
Sings for you. I love him.
And me. I'm the damn fool that shot him. Things I haven't done. Just you wait. What's your name, man? Alexander Hamilton.
Run, motherfucker, run. Put a pole, get the gun, put it to your brain like goddamn. Everybody know you ain't about it. Everything you talk about, I know I can live without it. Red light stop, green light go. Everything ain't what it seem like, motherfucker, I know. Hold up, what you mean when you born? Did you? Everybody bleed, everybody needs some. Everybody love, everybody know how it goes.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is no to me, this is no to you. Initially, I did it when I fall with you.
What is it though? It's a video game. Oh, it's a video game.
Keep your focus away from cheating. Tell me that's sexy. Let's get this guy in front of a crowd. I'm not throwing away my shot. I'm not throwing away my shot. You know I'm just like my country. I'm young, just like being hungry. And I'm not throwing away my shot. I'm not throwing away my shot. I'm not throwing away my shot. You know I'm just like my country. I'm young, just like being hungry. I'm not throwing away my shot. Read your speeches. I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. My left stroke just went viral.
Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano see me like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble.
Look, man, appreciate it. Came through.
Well, thanks for having me.
Today, yeah, no problem, man. I'll see you in like 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
All right, that's a wrap. We had Jordan, Mitch, my boy Richard, and my little bro Lucas pulled through, came through, and helped me out when man's flopped. You guys let me know who had the best playlist, who had the best music. You guys let me know, and then if you guys, who'd you guys think was, you know, the cutest dude? You know, if you want DMs, I can give you kind of that info. You know, I can slide it through, and then if you want to DM them, that's up to you. Except for Lucas, don't even think about it. You're nasty, disgusting. Also, were the girls' playlist better or the dudes' playlist better from like the last episode? So let me know as well. Anyways, that's it. Yo Yvonne, signing off. Peace.